Next, I'm going to show you how to get the common bile duct, which is the CBD. So orientate your probe. The trick is put it at the mid-clavicular line, at the lower ribs area. Put your probe at the intercostal spaces. You will be at the liver hilum. So this is the area where you can see the gallbladder. This cystic structure is the gallbladder, the portal vein, and also the CBD. So freeze your image if you have already identified the CBD, and you can measure the CBD like this. If you are not sure whether this is the CBD or other structure, you can always turn on the color flow and sweep it medially and laterally. The CBD will be devoid of blood flow within. So this is how we scan a CBD.